Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to edit submitted responses in Google Forms. First, click the Google Apps icon, scroll down and select Google Forms. Here you'll see all your forms. Open the one you want. Then go to the top right corner and click the gear icon. That's the settings button. Inside the settings window, switch to the Responses tab. Here, click the option that says Allow Response Editing. Now, click Save to apply your changes. From this point on, every time someone submits the form, they'll see and edit your response. Link on the confirmation page. You can also share the responder link with participants so they can edit their answers later. To test it, simply fill out the form and submit. After submitting, you'll see the option to edit your response. And that's it. That's how to edit submitted responses in Google Forms. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.